Welcome to Classic Autocad Documentation for Architectural Designers, where you will study and work as if you are in an architectural office. You will be learning shortcut commands, streamlining your workload, and setting up construction sheets using any version of AutoCAD, version 2000 or higher. You will learn a classic approach, techniques I've mastered through my years of training by mainly using the keyboard constantly. You will slowly develop muscle memory while learning how to create a real-world permit set and see how it's developed. In the end, your final product, the construction set, can be used as a real submission to your building department should you base this course on your project. My name is Cisco, and I will be leading you through the course. I began early on in my career as a self-taught artist, working in many disciplines and eventually choosing to study architecture. I have worked for many small to mid-sized firms and eventually ventured out on a solo career. Since then, I have integrated AutoCAD as my main tool in design and drafting, developing residential projects and commercial interiors from start to finish in the San Francisco Bay Area and Hawaii. I designed this course for anyone working in the architectural design field. It is for aspiring architecture students. It is for the DIY homeowner. It is also for seasoned architects looking to streamline and organize their workforce capabilities. In this course, we will be designing a one-story residential project from start to finish while developing a construction set for it. I will walk you through the entire design process on the keyboard and screen, keystroke by keystroke. The ideal student or professional for this course? Someone who wants to work faster and smarter in a simplified AutoCAD interface and have the desire to learn a classic approach to AutoCAD. All you need is a computer with working AutoCAD installed version 2000 or higher and a scroll mouse. Feel free to browse the course description, and I look forward to showing you real-world use of AutoCAD, classic style.